It is time for my song of the week.
All right.
And I've been thinking, man, firefighters. Oh, is there a sexier job than that right now?
I think it's always been the sexiest.
Yeah.
Well,
it's pretty hot.
There might be one, but it's only happening right about now, and it's going to end in a few months.
What's that?
The alluring, the seductive, the smoldering public pool lifeguard.
They're like either
baby.
really old men at our pool or teenagers.
Oh, yeah. You know what I'm talking about, Brooke.
I don't know.
It's true. They're always tan. They've got those mirrored shades on, those bright red bathing suits, sunscreen all over the bridge of their nose. I mean, and the power that they wield. Because if you like a sexy guy or a gal who likes to point and blow a whistle at you, woo, you've come to the right place.
No diving over there, sir.
That's right.
Yeah.
I couldn't pick a better time of year to celebrate this storied profession than at the very beginning of summer.
I mean,
Hey, set the tone, Jeff.
some of them are really on a power trip. Like, can I just maybe splash a little bit in the pool?
Those waves are 3 inches too hard, too tall.
I think they deserve it. And that's why instead of doing Miley Cyrus's classic emotional song, Wrecking Ball, it's Young Jeffrey's Cannonball.
That's so good.
Because it's a harder job than you think. They put up with a lot around that pool, so I'm going to give them the kudos they deserve.
And save lives. I mean, truly.
Well, yeah.
They do.
Yeah, sure.
It's in the
Just like
name.
that
It's
second
lifeguard.
That's not the main
Okay.
job.
It
But
kind of is.
anyway, I'll point when I'm ready. Points.
Hey, no roughhousing!
This job, I'll say, sounded so great. A summer guarding the poolside. First shift, oh hell, some kid just fell. I said, no running like 10 times. Children's water play looks like MMA. Choke their friends in the pool. Told him not to dive in the shallow side. Thought that kid would be cool. But then he did a cannonball, and his splash was diabolical. Like Edward Snowden had the whistle blow, and gave that little punk his second warning. 5 more, and he'll be leaving. I'm certified at saving lives. My practice dummy's mouth is worn. But just one time I would not mind if I got Wendy Peffercorned. All day, every day, kids screaming water games. Marco Polo, F-U. Snacks dropped in the tide, Snickers floating by. Oh God, wait, that's not food. My manager's 40 and bald. He's tanner than an old hot dog. And his polo shirt is way too small. And yeah, he kinda looks like Steve Buscemi. The smell is reprehensible. A mix of coconut and chemicals. It's like a trailer park when tropical. We keep the bathroom floors as wet as can be. The toilets are out of TP. But the worst side of them all is people eating in their floaty chairs. Wet cheeseburgers in their paws. They brought lasagna in a Tupperware. Keep the water out of your mouth. Don't you know there could be pee in there? It's probably mostly pee, to be fair. Small arms thrash away, real emergency. What would Hasselhoff do? So I sprung into hero mode. But if I dove into that water hole, my tan lines would be unsymmetrical. So I just tossed that kid a flotation ring. I missed by 20 feet. A gust of wind must have taken hold. My second ring toss wasn't even close. And after 3 I knew I must intervene. And I swam to the scene and found the kid was faking. You son of a...
Jeff. Wow.
All right, Jeffrey.
Yeah, new respect. I mean, I think you're a terrible lifeguard, but it does sound like a very difficult job.
You wouldn't want to do a good job if you're around those people 24 hours a day, every single day, all summer long.
And who's eating soggy lasagna poolside?
Everybody. It's weird. Why are you doing that?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Really strange.
I can't figure out if you were a lifeguard or if you were the one trying to kiss the Wendy Peffercorned, the other lifeguard. Fake it, you know?
I mean,
Meet me outside the studio. I'll show you.
Okay.
So that's your song of the week. You can text in to 78592.
I loved it.
Tell us what you thought about
Good
it.
job,
You
Jeff.
can go check out the video online up on our socials at Brooke and Jeffrey, on TikTok, on YouTube, all of it. And share it with a friend who wants to go to the pool or a fellow lifeguard, maybe.
there you go.
Totally.
So that's your song of the week. We got your phone tap coming up right after this.